Hi, so today we'll be doing a quick technique called the Cortices Technique. This Cortices Technique actually helps balance our two sides of the brain. So sometimes they are disconnected, and that's where imbalances happen. Sometimes if you feel like you're more masculine, meaning you give more than you receive, or you feel like you're more feminine, where it's hard to give, but it's easy to receive, this technique would really help with that. Other imbalances would be if you keep getting injured or pain, only the one side of your body over the other. That is the side, whether it's right or left. If it's right, you're using your right more, meaning you're more masculine. And if it's left side of the body, you're using that more, meaning you're more feminine. We want to be balanced, right? It's better to be able to give while receiving and receive while giving. There's that whole circle, full circle of balance. So this will be a really quick technique. We start with our hands. Why hands? Our hands are quite literally one of the most powerful parts of our bodies. It holds so much energy. It holds magnetic, electromagnetic energy. So with our hands, we will place our hand at the base of our skull. And what we're doing is we're connecting the left and right part of the brain. So just holding here, using 4 fingers, we're going to tap at the top of our head, making sure to touch both left and right. And just with the intention that I balance my energies, we can tap, 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 tap. Then we tap in the center of the head for our intuition. Tap, 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 tap. Then we've got our heart brain, because our brain can also think and decide for us. So we tap that part, tap, 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 the heart center. And finally, at the bottom, where your belly button is, or a little below that, we're tapping into our root chakra. So we feel more grounded. Tap, 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 tap. Now we bring our hand one up, touching the next part of our head. So we want to cover the whole head. And again, 4 fingers, tap on the head. Tap on the forehead for intuition. Tap on our heart center. And tap below our belly button. And again, bring our hand up, covering the next part of our head. And with your other hand, tap on the head. Tap, 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 tap. Connecting both left and right brain. Tap on the forehead for intuition. Tap on the heart center for our heart brain. And tap on the below belly button. Then bring our hand up again, covering the rest part of our head, the remaining part of the head. And back to 4 fingers, look for space on your head and tap, making sure to tap both left and right side part of the brain. Then forehead, tap for our intuition. Then tap heart center. And tap below belly button. Now we covered the whole head and the center, and now we want to cover both left and right. So again, with your hands, cover your head on the sides, right above your ear, as you can see here and here. Just holding that for a few seconds. And then we're going to lift one hand up so we can tap. Tap in the center of the head. Tap on the forehead for intuition. Tap in the heart center. And tap in belly button. And bring the hand back where it was. Now we're going to lift the other hand. And we're going to tap in the center of the head. Tap on the forehead. Tap in the heart center. And tap in the belly button. And then put your hand back. Just take a deep breath. And you're done. And this really quick technique, you can do it as fast as you want. I literally just go. You know, I go really fast and then I go that. I just do it really quick, sometimes under 30 seconds or 1 minute in the morning when I wake up or before I sleep, and it is life-changing. So thank you so much.